Hello everyone, this is Sujay Datta. Today we will be looking at the topic averages and mixtures. So let's first understand what is an average, okay? So say we have got some numbers x1, x2, x3. Let's take three numbers. The average is obtained by simply adding them and dividing by the number of terms, right? That's what we mean by average. So the average basically means sum divided by, so sum of the terms that you have divided by the number of terms that you have. In this case, sum of the terms by 3. Let's call this m. Now what we do is, let's cross multiply. So that becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals 3m. Now we bring back the 3m one by one, and what we end up getting is x1 minus m, we have brought 1m, plus x2 minus m, the second one, plus x3 minus m, the third one, should be 0. So this is the deviation, okay? Deviation means the gap of the numbers from the mean, the difference, okay? So with the sign, the difference with the sign. So x1 minus m, x2 minus m, x3 minus m will be adding up to 0. And that will be true for any number of terms, okay? Say for example, we have the numbers 1, 7, and let us say that's 8 and let's say 22. Now if we add them, we are going to get 10 as the average. Now let's look at the deviations. For 1, the deviation is -9. For 7, it is -3. And for 22, it is +12. Check that these three add up to 0. So this is the basic idea of averages, which basically is sum of deviations is 0. Okay. Let's take a question on this quickly. So this one saying that these four numbers and n, the average is 85. Okay. How do you solve this? Traditional way of doing it is adding these plus n, dividing that whole thing by 5, equating to 85, and then solving for n. A lot of calculation involved. How do we do it fast? We'll just look at the deviations. 78 and 85. So if I subtract 85 from 78, so we have -7, right? Then 85 and 83, so -2. 89 and 85, so that's +4. 97 and 85, so that is 12. Now the sum of these deviations must be 0, right? That's what we discussed. Here the sum is coming to -9 plus 12 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. That means this number must have a deviation of -7. So my answer would be 7 less than 85. And we are done with the question. I hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.